Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Dear, do you know why sun rises every morning? Just to see your beautiful smile. Let's start your day with positive energy and happy thoughts. Don't forget to make yourself impressive for yourself. Make time for yourself, do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. So, let's surprise yourself with a cup of cappuccino. Dear, for cappuccino, take fresh milk, coffee of any brand, honey, or a sugar which you like. First of all, take a cup of milk and pour it into the saucepan for boiling. Dear, now you take a cup, add 2 teaspoons of sugar in it. My dear, if you don't like sugar, you can pour 2 teaspoons of honey in it. Dear, do you know cappuccino actually is a milk coffee? Milk coffee has a lot of good benefit for your health like reduce your inflammation, boost your metabolism, improve your sensitivity. Now dear, I am going to add full teaspoon of Folger coffee. I love to make a cappuccino with Folger. If you don't like the Folger, you can use any of other brand. Now I am going to pour 2 tablespoons of hot water, not more than 2 tablespoons. Here hot water is optional. If you don't have the hot water, you can use the room temperature water. Dear, always use branded item in your life like truth for your lips, prayer for your eyes, sympathy for your eyes, charity for your hand, love for your heart, and smile for your face. Okay, I forget to tell you something very important. Take electric beater. Use its only one arm and beat your coffee, sugar, and hot water. Beat until it becomes so soft, fluffy, and creamy. It took not more than 1 to 2 minutes. It will be creamy in 1 to 2 minutes after your beating. My dear, when you are beating your coffee in a cup in your kitchen, there is delicious aroma of coffee all in the kitchen. Dear, now time to take a beautiful cup for your beautiful self. I love cappuccinos, lot of cappuccinos, so that's why I take a my favorite goblet for me, spoon of creamy coffee and spread in all over the wall of the cup or a glass. As you can see, I take another teaspoon of coffee and spread in the side wall of the glass. Kindly and gently spread your coffee into the mug. Juices and water are very good for our health. You can get more good recipes from our channel. Please check it out and subscribe our channel. It's time to pour hot milk in it gradually and slowly. Don't rush in it. When you pour hot milk in it, you can see the coffee is coming up. Now you take another teaspoon of coffee and spread in the top of the milk and sprinkle some coffee and have some chocolate in it. I personally love the white chocolate with coffee. You can use dark chocolate or any other brand which you like to have. So dear, it's time to pamper yourself. Create happiness for your own self. Now celebrate your happiness for your own. Don't forget your self respect and enjoy your happiness. Happiness for me, a cup of cappuccino with a platter at my peace corner of the house. Being pampered is a wonderful feeling that everyone deserves at least once in a day. Dear, here's some more links for you and your loved ones. Please check it out and enjoy. Don't forget to give us thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Please do it for your own self. Have a good day with the positive energy and happy thoughts. Enjoy this hot cup of cappuccino. Our channel have wonderful recipes for all ages. Dear, subscribe our channel. Now it's time to say goodbye for now till next. Take care of your good self. Love you all. Bye bye.